Staying with MMR, slow and steady but growing nevertheless, realty prices in Malad West have seen a steady appreciation in the last 3 years. Be it connectivity or infrastructure, this micro-market has held its own ground when compared to neighbouring regions of Goregaon and Kandivali. Just what are the factors driving this market? Ankita Sinha finds out.
Malad West in the western suburbs of Mumbai is a versatile market that has seen steady growth over the years. Spurred on by a surge in the BPO and IT industry, development in the region has been growing steadily. This, coupled with the presence of social infrastructure in the form of various malls and access to beachfront, are the other reasons why Malad West is a hot favourite among home buyers when compared to neighbouring micro-markets such as Kandivali, Borivali, Goregaon and Andheri West.
One gets a 1-bedroom very easily and gets even a 4-bedroom easily. So it's quite a widespread location, and it's becoming a good micro market, so to say. It's becoming a high-end micro market. After Andheri West, the next high-end micro market would be Malad West.
Let's face it, in Bombay, that's one thing that's lacking in Bombay is space. And when someone gives you that space, people are going to jump at it. So Malad right now has space. Even in redevelopment and the new projects, they're giving you lots and lots of space.
Redevelopment is the name of the game in the region. Malad West is densely populated with aging and dilapidated structures occupying prime localities. Top developers like Rustomji K. Raheja Constructions are among others who are targeting buildings for redevelopment and building new projects in the area. On the residential front, Malad West has 61 projects in the pipeline, with 2,580 units still available for sale out of the 9,010 units that have been launched. Prices in the region too have been growing steadily, recording an annual appreciation of around 9 to 10% in the last 2.5 years, or 24% compounded.
If you take a CAGR, that's compounded annual growth rate, it's not a very high number that we can talk of. It's around 10 to 12%, which is, in my opinion, given the economy, given the last 2 years pressure on the real estate sector, it's a plateaued market now, in a way.
One other cause for concern is the infrastructure in the region. Located at a distance of 5 kilometers from Western Express Highway with access to local railway station, Malad West boasts of good connectivity. However, in recent times, developers have been trying to sell home buyers on Malad West by talking about the proposed Goregaon-Mulund Link Road, a 10-kilometer long stretch of road connecting Goregaon West and Mulund through parts of Sanjay Gandhi National Park. But experts are skeptical if this will ever come through.
If the connectivity builds up between Mulund and Goregaon as that internal road through the national park, there could be a possibility that the prices in both the locations stabilize a lot, because a client will have much more to offer in a 10 minutes, 15 minutes drive. The road has been under talks for the past, I would say, 10 or 15 odd years, and we don't see much of things happening because it passes through the national park and it needs central government's intervention and lots of permissions and so on.
While the Goregaon-Mulund Link Road acts as a catalyst to an already developing Malad West, can investors, however, make their purchase solely based on this project in the immediate future? Experts don't think so. From Mumbai, Ankita Sinha for NDTV.